Hey, Don Ivol here, taking a break from the desk to talk to you a little bit about legal malpractice insurance. I just got off the phone a couple days ago with a client who called me to tell me that he had received an indication from another carrier, and it was $500 less than what we had actually quoted him. And $500 off a $2,000 premium, I mean, that's pretty substantial. So I asked him, I said, did you look at it in terms of, is it comparable coverage? Do you know anything about the broker? Do you know anything about the carrier? Are they very experienced in it? And he kind of hem-hawed a little bit, and then he just said, no. He said, I was just looking at the price. So we started to dig in on it and found some interesting things. I mean, the limits that this indication had was about $500,000 per claim less. The deductible was pretty much doubled. It was increased by $1,000. He'd have to start over on the retirement tail. There was no carryover on that, so he would have had to been insured with this other carrier for 3 additional years, which would impact his retirement date. In addition to that, there was some differences with some ancillary coverages, such as disciplinary coverage and that type of thing. So, at that point, $500, from a $2,000 premium didn't really look that appealing at all. So my advice is, if you get these unsolicited pricing indications, or even if you did ask for one and it's coming in and it's substantially less than what you're paying, please make sure you check, because there usually is some differences, and they all say, hey, the coverage is the same. Well, if the coverage is the same, it's a legal malpractice policy, but the devil is in the details, and that's what you really need to look at. Hope this helps. Thanks for listening, and remember, I'm Don I, your insurance guy.